In the world, birds look more attractive than animals. Why? Because maybe they are smaller and they can fly, and the colors they have because of their plumage, and even in cages they retain their originality like hopping and being active. And we go near the cage and they start watching us. And while I am picturing, they started watching me. One of them coming nearer to me and examining the camera and gone back to the partner, and they whispered something, and they never kept idle at one spot and keep moving on from one distance to other distance, engage themselves in some activity and keeping their life busy, though there is not much scope to fly or move to some other place, and they never mind it, and they are happy with what they have. They never think about other things, and they are more and more happy. And the colors also just look like somebody painted on them, and identically they are given the same kind of plumage in certain areas. You see, on the rest of the body they are covered with black feathers, and near the neck area with yellow, and the beak also like yellow. This creation is wonderful, and I don't know who created them, and we have to appreciate that eternal creator who created them and sent to us to enjoy their company. And our duty is to save them and to preserve them forever, because we have the scope and advantage. The other bird look different color, and it is also attractive. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share my video.